Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. In this channel and in this video I am introduce myself. My name is Umar. I'm a student who loves learning and teaching English. I am from Pakistan. My qualification is 9th class and I am so happy to create this video because I am not asked to you I am a good learner from English. No, I'm not learning English, but I learn you some skills. I want to know to pay you fees in your academies and schools for the English. English is not difficult. English is very easy. He is my friend, and he is not a big opportunity. It is very easy if you have a strict mindset and then you learn English for a few days, the few months, for a few days, few weeks, and I am uploading a video after 2 days, and that is the video is for students, the entertainment, and in this video I am learn a new skill for you and different things. For example, I ask you to some questions and you answer me in the comments, and this is the full help for you. I am not asking me I am a good learner. I'm not learner, but how I learn, I am create a video for you, and I am 3 months. I 3 months get to learn English. First time I am go to school, and the second time I am went to the academy for the English. I was now not. I was went to the academy, and I am a good learner. And then I think I am a create a new video for the students and different people. This is my first video, and so I'm for curious this video. This video is sent to all the people on the YouTube, and so see you in the next video. The next video is good for you and me. So bye bye.